Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Hytale and you keep getting this error, fail to connect the server and unexpected error occurred, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Hytale easily. So for this problem I have two solutions of how you can fix it. The first one is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here view network connections, and then you're going to select your network connection here. If you're on an Ethernet connection, you should have Ethernet, and if you're on a wireless connection, you should have WLAN. So just select your network connection, right click on it, click properties, click on to configure them, and then go into advanced, and then scroll down until you find priority and VLAN. Make sure to disable this priority and VLAN. After that, go into IPv4 setting there, disable this. Also go into IPv6, disable this as well. After that, click OK, and then open the properties option again, and then scroll down on here and untick Internet Protocol version 6. After that, click OK again. And then once you're done with that, now what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that your date and time is set correctly, because if your date and time is set incorrectly, then your computer has trouble connecting to the internet. So just open up your start menu, write here date and time, and then select your location here. After that, click set time automatically, and then click sync now on here. Wait for it to sync. Once it's done syncing, now you can go ahead and play Hytale, and you'll see that your game will now work correctly. You will not get that fail to connect to server error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.